Hi again. Today I'm here with the unboxing and try-on of the Hermès Men's Fall Winter 2024 shirt. So the shirt comes in a beautiful greenish gray color, and you can see that there's different straps and locks on the middle and left-hand side of the shirt, and this pattern continues around on the back as well. So it is a t-shirt, and like most of those t-shirts, they are true to size. This color is basalt. The material is 85% cotton and 15% cashmere. So because it does have cashmere, we do recommend dry clean only. And this does fit true to size. So it's definitely a very soft shirt with this cotton cashmere blend. So let me go try it on and I'll be right back. So here it is on. And as I said, this solid part of the shirt is cotton cashmere blend. This pattern here is actually in silk. So let me turn around for you. And you can see the pattern extending partway on the back left. And it feels very comfortable. The cotton cashmere blend is nice and soft. Silk is obviously, it's silk, it's soft as well. This feels very, very comfortable. Plenty of room to move my arms around as well. So as of fall 2024, the shirt retails for approximately $1,500 US. As always, thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below, and I'll see you next time.